it's time for me to clean my camera. This is my camera. You can see it's quite dirty, so I got a cleaning kit. This is the camera cleaning kit. It comes with a cleaning hair blaster blower, and it also comes with length brush. It also comes with a mini blower, a dust cleaning blower. It also comes with a cleaning pen that you can use to clean, and in additional it also comes with wipe that you can use to wipe off the lenses when you are done cleaning it. So let's start. So the first thing that I do is I remove my camera lens, and I'm going to start off with cleaning the lens. Remove the cover. I'm going to clean the face of the lens with my cleaning wipe. Give that a good clean, and it does a good job cleaning the lens really well. And then I'm going to use the brush. Then I'm going to use the pen brush to kind of get rid of any leftover stains that I have. This is just stuff that I will actually use to clean the dust, any dust particles. Use that. I can also use it to clean the lens area. Then I'm going to use the blower to blow out any extra dirt from that area, giving it a good cleanse. So the lens is done. After that, I'll proceed to the body of the camera, and I'm going to give it a blower. Use the smaller blower and blow the inner area. Get the dirt out of there. Proceed to using my inner brush, my smaller brush, to remove any other particles from there. I will use the wipe to wipe the inside lens mirror in there. And then finally, I'm going to use the bigger blower to just blow any excess dust away from the body. And then use the pen to just kind of dust off other things in it. So I absolutely love it. Once that is done, I secure my lens back into place like that, and I close my lens, and my camera is all clean and all ready to be used the next time. I absolutely love it, and I think it did a great job.